4 years ago, as a female entering a male-dominated field, civil engineering, I had my doubts. I was quite unsure when I first entered this college and stayed content in background. But Sagarmatha Engineering College helped me erase all those doubts. Sagarmatha Engineering College not only provides scholarship to female students, but also encourages them to break all the barriers and succeed, and take part in many extracurricular activities. I am Shirapa Mahaju, and my journey has been quite a transformation. Here, we just don't sit in our class and listen to lectures. We engage, create, and build. In our labs, we test various materials and design the structural components. From the very first semester, we have been provided with hands-on solving real-world problems through practices and trainings like ETABS and AutoCAD. And the teachers, they just don't teach us. They guide us, they mentor us, they encourage us to push and think bigger. It wasn't the coursework that shaped me. It was the group presentation, projects, and opportunities to interact with my teachers that drew me out of my shell. Sagarmatha Engineering College offers various student-led societies, and being involved in one of those societies, Sagarmatha Civil Engineering Student Society, was a game changer for me. From planning events to taking leading initiatives, it has given me opportunities in managing team and taking responsibilities. I leave this college with not only a degree, but confidence, leadership skills, and a network of people that I will carry on into my career. So whether you are looking to excel academically, grow as a person, or build a life connection, Sagarmatha Engineering College is where your journey begins.